Hey, what's up everybody? Brian BMS. Today we want to show you a 25 F250 build, 6-inch Elevate kit. We've got some brush accents to go with the 2412 brush JTX Raiders. One thing we can do, custom caps with your company logo. That's the one thing that we do. DC Motorsports, a good friend David, always lets me build his truck once a year or every 6 months. It depends on when he sells it. Does a lot of classic cars, check him out. Cool thing is we're gonna do some Q&As on our page today. We're gonna show you some build process when the fellas go through it. Don't know if it'll take them 2 hours, 4 hours, but if you stick with us, show you the finished product. You wanna be different, you wanna stand out, we can do a little bit of everything. No room to be basic around here. We got enough girls running around here trying to be basic, so we can think different, okay? Stay tuned, stick with us, let's go.
This is Brody at Brian's Motorsports. We just finished up the front on this F250. We did big springs, big Fox shocks, you already know, Elevate control arms, drop brackets, dual stabilizer, the whole nine. Now we're putting the JTX brush wheels on, and stay tuned.
If you ain't having no fun, you ain't in the right spot. That's where you do it. All in a day's work. It just depends on what you want to do. A lot of people complain about work, trying to do this or that. Took us a little bit extra on this one. Headlight brackets, had to drill and tap. That's the fun part about some of these Fords with the headlight sensors. It's a little tricky. Drill and tap the upper control arms. This is what teamwork's all about. This is Brian's Motorsports, BMS Off-Road. 6-inch lift, 38s, 24s, be alignment on the way back to Alabama. We appreciate you guys checking us out. Follow us, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you.